Hi everyone, welcome to AI Focused Fridays. We talk a lot about how AI can be incorrect. It sometimes hallucinates, so to speak. But sometimes it can actually be used to help to spot something, flag something that actually is not correct. For instance, this is something that embarrassingly I have used in a presentation recently, and I was trying to find out where I had originally ran across this. I knew that it was online somewhere or possibly on social media, but I wanted to make sure I was given credit for it when I'm using it in a presentation. So as I was looking this up and trying to do a reverse image search, I found out that it might not be correct. So I decided to double check with ChatGPT and see if I could find out where this source was from, if it were actually incorrect. So I asked, what is the source for the quote that's circled in the image? And originally it just references information that's in this actual quote. So it provides that, yeah, it's accurate. So I say, where is it originally from? Which principles publication? Then it goes on to say that it is incorrect. It's a satirical creation from 1978, so not from 1815, and it's probable quotes from history. And I'm like, oh no, I've used this. And then I decided to check with Perplexity AI and see what it thinks. So let's see what happens. So now it's searching different sources. Now keep in mind some of the sources that it's searching is even Reddit, so you always have to be careful. It may not be accurate. So it says there's no authentic source for this quote. It's part of a satirical piece. So this can be a really good way too of double checking AI with AI. So sometimes if I want to make sure that what I see from ChatGPT, I may actually copy and paste it into another AI that can verify the sources. And it actually has 26 sources regarding this. So it is a myth. My apologies to anyone who heard me present it. I hope you got a good chuckle out of it and know that that was not deliberate. And this is why we're supposed to check our sources. Right? That traffickers are using zip ties to try to cause someone to pull over, and then they're lacing the zip tie with drugs. I'm like, this sounds a little bit out there. So I decided to run it through and see if this could be possibly fake, and it is. It gives you something saying that this has been a social media rumor that's been widely debunked, but it also explains why it's highly unlikely and gives you some real human trafficking risks and what to do instead. So these are just things that you can use AI for. So that's it for today's AI Focused Fridays. I hope this is helpful. Give it a shot. If there's something that doesn't sound quite right, plug it in and see what they say. And remember that all you have to do is hit that little plus button to upload files and more. Have a great day, and I'll see you next Friday.